What was that? Oh shit, Santa's here. I've been really bad this year, so I need to make some cookies really fast. Maybe some of my friends can help make some cookies too, because that's how bad I've been. Cookies? Yeah, cookies.
Hey there, Eli, and all of you vegan test kitchen fans out there. I am Crunchy Scott, and I am super excited to be part of this vegan Christmas cookie collaboration with some of my favorite vegan YouTubers. On my channel, I take 80s movies, music, and television, and I turn them into awesome vegan recipes. I know that sounds a little weird, but that's what inspired me to whip up a batch of my Wham's Last Christmas cookies, totally inspired from the music video. So once you're done watching Eli's recipe, hop on over to my channel for some retro Christmas fabulousness.
Yeah, cookies.
Hey you guys, it's your chef Charisse from Midnight Munchies and More, and I am so excited that we're doing a collab with some of my favorite YouTubers. So after you watch this video, make sure you head to my channel where I am making vegan and gluten-free Swedish tea balls, also known, I think people call them snowballs or tea cakes, Russian tea cakes, same thing, same concept, buttery cookie, delicious inside with some nuts, girl. Okay, you don't want to miss this, so go ahead and check that out after you finish this video, and happy holidays!
All right, now that we have a whole bunch of cookies being made, let's start on ours. We're making some double chocolate peppermint cookies. All the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. All right, first thing we're gonna do is set our oven to 350, grab 2 cookie pans and line them with parchment paper. Grab a large bowl. We're gonna whisk together our flour, cocoa powder, flaxseed meal, and if you don't have flaxseed meal, just get some flax seeds and grind them up. Your salt and baking soda. Set this aside. We're gonna mix our granulated sugar, brown sugar, water, olive oil, and our vanilla and peppermint extracts. Stir. Then we're going to take our sugar mixture and add it to our flour mixture. Whew, those are definitely peppermint. And we're going to mix this together until you can't see any flour anymore. Now that we've gotten to where we need to be, we're going to fold in our chocolate chips. If this isn't chocolatey enough for you, I don't know what to tell you. Beautiful. All right, now's the time that we get our tins. We're gonna scoop these out by the tablespoon. And now we're gonna throw them in the oven for 10 minutes. And now's the fun part. We get to bash some candy canes. So grab like, 3 or 4. Let's do one more for good measure. Beat them. Let's get them out. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, as soon as they come out of the oven, you want to sprinkle a little bit of peppermint shard on them. Give them a little pat. After they've cooled a little bit, they're ready for Santa. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, hit a thumbs up. I'd love you for it. And make sure to subscribe and comment and share and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time.